Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instacart shopper account to start earning. Beginner guide step. To enable your Instacart shopper account and start earning, follow these steps. First, visit the official Instacart website. Click on the Job Opportunities section found in the footer of the homepage. Select the role of Instacart shopper from the list of available jobs. Fill out the online application form with your personal and contact information. Upload any required documents, such as a valid driver's license or your resume. Once you submit your application, wait for a confirmation email from Instacart. Check your email regularly, as Instacart will provide updates on your application status. If approved, you will receive instructions on how to set up your account. Follow the provided link to create your Instacart shopper profile. Enter your preferred payment information to ensure you can receive your earnings. Complete the background check process as instructed in the email. Once your background check is cleared, you will receive a notification. You will then need to download the Instacart Shopper app from the App Store or Google Play. Log into the app using your newly created account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the app, including the interface and available features. Set your availability for shopping hours within the app. Start accepting batches and shopping for customers once you are ready. Deliver the orders to customers' doorsteps and ensure a pleasant experience. Track your earnings through the app, which displays completed orders and payment details. Continue to optimize your shopping skills to maximize your earnings over time. Congratulations, you are now ready to start earning as an Instacart shopper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.